I feel like when they play Go and we have pharmacy and like Widow, we can't like take point, and it's really hard.
Oh, we gotta
Like-
poke him. We gotta do a whole bunch of poking.
Yeah, it's just yeah. It's okay. That was a good game, to be honest.
I expected worse, so it's fine.
Yeah, some good practice right there.
It's the best kind of games. The ones you lose by just a little
Yeah.
bit.
We go
You
again.
can review. We see what we're fucked up.
Okay.
What did we do for that one?
Blizzard World.
More defense.
Play Ash here, sure.
On offense or defense?
We're in defense.
Okay, on defense we can play. Mm,
Yeah, Zarya, right?
With
With the Genji?
or Pharah.
Yeah, or Enzo. I
We
don't
could
know.
do Mercy. We could do Mercy and or Anzo, yeah.
Enzo,
You
yeah,
can
yeah,
you
yeah.
can
Enzo's
damage
pretty good.
boost. You can damage boost the Ash and then just
So do I go
get
Lucio?
picks like that. No, go Anna.
Well, I mean, if they blade, we wipe.
Yeah, we wipe.
That's
Yeah.
fine. Comps.
mm,
We can try
I
it,
think
I guess.
let's try it.
I think Genji's better on offense than defense.
Yeah, that's why I say we need something for it to counter it.
I'm gonna play Lucio. I'm gonna play Lucio. Is that good?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I feel like Ana Mercy is really good, but on attack. On defense, it's like we don't have a defensive
Yeah.
ult.
Just use Bob as a defensive ult. Lol.
It
I mean,
is.
Volk can do that too. I don't know. And you have a res. If you kite the Genji, then you're fine.
Yeah, Farah.
But if they have grab
Yeah,
Anzo, then
Farah, be careful.
Yeet.
Yeah, okay, yeah, for.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna
tell
snipe
me
that
if you need,
bitch down.
Heals. Manu.
dive.
If you need
Or
heals,
goats.
tell
Ah,
me.
that's
Tell me.
goats.
Oh no, they don't have
It's a goat.
Farah anymore.
It's the goats.
Oh, I'm on.
I'm out of nade. Don't be too aggressive, John.
Yeah, we need
I'm
to back
just
up.
going
Just
on.
play.
Oh. Bring
Bring
one.
Bring
Here's
one.
one. Possibly winnable.
Ooh,
No.
Oh.
no, I don't think so. Yeah. Oh.
Kinda my bad. I wasted my nade because I needed to heal a bless.
Hot dragon.
Ugh.
I got Sire.
Goats.
Yeah, Goats is really strong, to be honest. Like,
I'm not
Yeah.
really sure how good Ash is against goats.
I'm always discarding too. It's like.
Okay, back up. Let
Yeah, back
us
up. I'm
regroup.
coming back with the dragon. Circle dragon, this shit.
Watch your shatter.
Okay, where they are.
I got my speed, so. Okay, speed boo. Back. I'm
Oh my
speeding.
God.
I'm speeding. I'm back. Yeah.
I'm gonna purple them. Huge purple them. Bring. Ooh, she got bubble. Good.
The Reinhardt.
Push it.
Yeah,
Push it.
right, super low.
Sorry,
Nice.
Ryan one.
I'm gonna go with the big purple. I missed it.
Nice. Okay, good job.
Good job.
Okay, so what did they use there? They didn't. They only use
Uh,
trends.
They use trance and
Oh,
They
watch
use
for
rally
grab.
too, I think.
Yeah, use Riley too.
Okay,
Yeah, relevant trends.
grab shatter as well as diva bomb. Oh.
they probably have beat too.
Yeah.
Oh no, they use Riley. No.
There's rally.
Just
Oh,
back
what
up.
the
Speed
fuck?
boo. Speed. Back up. I'm speeding out.
Try to get a dragon soon.
Yeah,
Yo, I
I'm-
got
I'm
the.
close.
Oh,
Oh,
you.
huge! Run. Nice.
It's winnable.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Fucking
That's
dynamite.
perfect.
Break,
Holy
purple.
Yeah, sorry, yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Good job, guys.
That was huge.
The Diva demeched and I got a huge
I'm
dynamite,
going
so I
to
got
high
Bob
high
again.
ground, then gonna do a big purple. It's gonna be huge.
Need some heals above.
I'm coming.
Give me the Zuck.
We can all close here. Where are they going?
Main again.
Brig is up top about.
Yeah, there's a
she's
Brig on
alone.
top. He's dropping, he's
alone.
dropping.
He's gonna try to, yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, I gotta drop too. Wait,
Right
wait.
one.
You still have Shatter, by the way.
Have nano, press
Yeah,
W
yeah.
run.
When they push, I'm
Where
gonna
is
launch
he?
Bob.
Diva one. Let's go. I think they're looking for a grab.
FP.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, what? Oh, that's my bad. I was
Run,
too
can-
aggressive.
Oh no.
No,
Damn,
okay,
that's
it's
my
fine.
bad.
We still have a time to contest it, I think.
No.
Yeah, I
don't
can touch,
think-
I can touch.
Are you sure?
I can
No,
launch
no,
Bob in.
No, go left, go left, go left.
Don't.
Well,
Because that.
We have.
Diva's alone, we
Bravo.
couldn't be. Diva.
Ryan's gonna shatter, be careful.
Yeah, Run's gonna
He
shatter.
just he did it.
You used? Okay.
Are you sure?
I don't think so.
No, he
I don't think
didn't.
so.
No, he used grab.
They just used
Shattered him
trance and they
last
ran
fight,
into
just
us.
Okay.
off it, and he
They used
still
grab
hasn't
and
used it
trance. That was it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for grab. I'm gonna have my dragon.
We have 4 ults. We gotta engage something right now. We engage.
yeah,
Go.
we got four. Okay, it's
Good.
Nice,
Sorry.
huge time. Okay, they use beat.
Got it. Let's go.
No, they use it. They hit it.
Oh, nice block.
Nice.
Big one.
The runner.
Run one.
Bob's on.
What the? What the hell? Oh, I got boot.
Brig low.
Briggs dead.
No,
I'm
no.
dead.
I got beat for next fight.
Ah, fuck.
It's okay.
You gotta sing the beat with the
We
grab
could
though.
we could go with
Grab,
Brig for the
grab.
end. Brig's in maybe.
Wait, what?
So you want me
Can
to
you go
sing the
Brig
beat
for the end?
drop?
Yeah.
Did you use Shatter now?
I have to use it.
Run purple.
Get that Zarya.
Dad.
Oh, I missed
Yeah.
it. Oh man,
Uh,
it's still maybe I think it's winnable. If you
Brig one.
Stall it.
Let's go ham and have Shatter on us.
Touch it.
Yeah.
FP.
touch.
damn.
Damn.
No, I don't think we had a good comp for that.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think Ash is the answer to goats.
No, it's no good.
I mean, it's good, but could be better.
We should go Brig.
Well,
Baron might have been better,
just
yeah.
go goats against goats, but what's the fun in
Yeah.
that? At least we're trying stuff, so that's whatever.
Do you guys want to play Pharmacy Widow on this map? Is it good?
I don't know what
Um,
is good. I don't know.
I say we just go goats and beat their goats.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
do that.
I'd goats him.
Man, I can't. Brigitte is still not nerfed. I'm so surprised. I feel like it's been so long. He's been
It's
nerfed.
gonna be on Tuesday probably when they drop the Christmas patch.
Man, I can't wait.
Makes sense.
It's gonna be so much more fun.
Well, it's gonna open up for other comps than just goats.
Yeah.
I mean, Briggs' projection in goats is gonna be better. So you guys
No,
do
they say she's gonna be like the same in goats, but like with dive and stuff, she's gonna be better.
Mora goats or Anna goats? Zen goats?
I say Zen goats.
With a McCree?
Or
No,
three.
just Zen goats.
No. I like the McCree goats.
Could McCree goats, but we lose the diva.
It's like Goat Simulator. Lul.
Zulul.
We switch to McCree goats if they're diving.
Yeah, we'll
Right.
see.
So call your diva bomb with the bash.
That's a dive.
Yeah.
So everyone go left. I got a speed
Focusing on
boost in. You
focus
guys
on
ready?
Zen, protector Zen.
1, 2, 3, speed. Oh, we're in
Fuck.
8. Oh my god. Oh, okay, yeah, that was a big game.
Yeah. Anna was behind. She was flanking.
Doomlo, good. We got a pick.
Let's switch to to anti-dive.
Say the same thing and just get them
Yeah, it's
need
okay,
to
just reset. We just
Yeah,
got nade
reset.
basically.
We need to switch to Zen. Telling you guys right now.
The Zen? For what?
Yeah. Mora.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
Otherwise, you want to get butt fucked.
Yep.
Okay.
That dive is so strong against Zen.
Do you get your mech soon?
I got it.
Okay, wait for the mech. Wait for mech.
Okay, watch for.
Okay, yeah.
Doom stop left.
I'm on the left, I'm on the left!
God.
I'm on the left! Oh,
Doom, 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 doom.
Oh my.
We gotta watch for the fucking flank. She's gonna do that all game. Just
Yeah.
We
remember
got the
that.
Winston. We got the Winston.
Diva, you gotta open your eyes for the nades.
Nice.
Okay, winnable fight.
Oh, nice.
Or about healing on point. Go on point.
Oh, she fucking ate that, dude.
Okay.
Okay, they use Nano Blade. That's fine. Reset.
All right.
Okay, we need to watch out for the nade. Where is she? Like, I don't
on
need
the
to.
right.
Go top right, go top right, go top right, go top right.
Just go
I'm
right,
coming.
yeah.
Hold on, you're missing me.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Well, I'm gonna speed boost Zarya. Okay.
Watch for nades. All right, all together, boys. Watch for Doomfist hold.
Where's
Diva
Diana?
Where's Anna? Yeah, where's Anna?
She's left side.
Just boxes, boxes,
Got-
hop on.
Whoa, I'm getting
Good.
goofy
We
everywhere.
go. And what FP is it on?
What the fuck? I don't know.
Doom
I got.
ult.
Let's try
We
to
win this.
One, 2+1.
Monkey low. He ulted.
Genji, never mind.
Anna behind you, shovel. Anna on diagram.
Monkey.
She's one.
I'm getting the monkey.
Dead. No minions.
It's okay. It's winnable. It's
Diva
winnable.
and Doom. Diva and Doom. Diva's gonna ult, I think. No.
No,
No,
it's
she is.
not.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Good job.
Doom.
You're down, Lucio. Lucio,
one.
Nice.
I got grab again.
All right, she's gonna be hiding at the tank, Anna, for the nades. So maybe we can just try to dive her with what we have.
Yeah.
Is she there?
I'm on
She's on the
pale.
high ground right now.
Yeah, I'm sure she's gonna be. Stay on point, FP.
I'm gonna stomp.
What do they have? Nano blade. They're gonna have a nano blade here.
There it is.
Here it goes.
There it is.
Okay, speeding out.
Nice. Nice.
Oh,
nice grab.
Doomfist in the back.
Genji one.
Doomfist in the back.
Okay, reset.
Doomfist
Group
low
up.
together.
Doom one. Group up. Payload.
We can win.
Yeah.
Monkey on
Only
target.
Watch your bomb. Nice job. Lucio. One.
Genji on point is one.
He's
Low.
low.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, Brawley.
3 point, and then we push.
We can
Me,
share
Ryan,
the
and
bomb.
Brig are pushing.
Okay, John, you have shatter. Okay, I will call it like 3, 2, 1, and you shatter. Sounds good. 3,
Just
2,
wait to use. Okay, yeah.
1, go.
I was.
Nice.
Right
Run low. Run one. Run is one. Lucio's low too.
Diva.
Do it.
Yep.
Okay, good job.
All right. So what do they have? They have trance. They have beat. They have shatter, right?
Next time, say like 2-1 or something. 3 is too much.
Okay.
You have to predict it and slow it down.
Yeah, I will say 1, 2, go. Okay.
Oh, just 2-1 bash.
Yeah, 2, 1 back.
You could practice that in
Yeah.
Private
Too fast,
lobby
so
or-
don't change the speed. or
No bubble.
something.
No bubble.
Speed boost.
Yeah, shatter.
They use
Okay,
beat.
DV,
Kite.
Briggs behind us. Briggs behind us.
You know what? Yeah, just back up.
Reset.
I'm not gonna use my ult. Let's.
I got grab again.
Don't heal me.
Do you use beat?
Yes, these beat.
Yeah.
Do you guys
We have
wanna
grab and
engage with beat
coalescence.
or?
Yeah, they have grab and call this.
Okay,
Just
trance,
save your
right?
beat for grab. We can grab. We can have our own grab and coalescence here.
They have grab too, so careful.
They have trance.
Yeah.
Shatter
so no.
too.
If Brig goes deep, just finish her, you guys.
Oh, I almost push him.
Okay,
Brig one. Oh, fuck.
Nice. That's good. Big shot.
Oh yeah.
No.
No, it's fine. We win.
Yeah.
Oh.
They shatter. Again.
Okay.
Yeah, they grab Shatter and Trent.
Do we swap the Mora here? I don't know. We
Yeah, if
could
they're
go
running
Ana.
goats, we could go Zen
Yeah,
again.
go Ana. Go Ana. Go Ana.
I think Ana would be great here.
Alright.
Counter their Zen, counter their...
The brig.
Maybe sleep their...
Counter everything.
You're gonna get bashed, no bubble.
Use it.
Speed boost, speed boost. So, back up.
Briggs low.
Big purple!
Big purple.
Big
Oh,
AT,
that's
big
big purple. Big.
Yeah, but we don't have
It's
break.
fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
We can, we have
What do we
bomb
have?
and grab
Yeah, we
soon,
can
so-
grab Diva Bomb next fight.
They have Diva Bomb though, careful.
Help John, help John. Yeah, no
I'm
shield.
gonna grab.
I have
Waiting
Nano.
for Diva.
I have Nano for you, John.
Oh, I got Shatter.
Multi.
What?
Hmm.
Oh no.
Damn.
I wasted Nano on Ryan. We can just
If we're
try.
running this, I feel like we have to like, go into them. We can't just.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah.
this-
Okay, they don't have trends, and I think we can just ram into them now.
Like, they have a Zen. If we do that, it's fine.
Okay, I'm using my speed.
Go.
The brig.
Break is low.
The Ryan.
Stun.
What? I bubbled you. No.
It's probably after.
So what do you suggest? We go Zen?
I
It's too late.
could. I got my ult soon, but I was thinking maybe like pharmacy. Would it be good?
No,
No. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I got my ult soon, so.
They're farming their ult so quickly now.
Yeah.
We should Zen goats too, because
Speed boost.
the Discord is just too good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's too late,
Next
but
time
next...
we will now. Just
Oh my god.
I got my. Oh
Bomb.
my god.
No, I got moved.
Okay. Orange not out.
Whoa.
Nice block.
Oh,
Huge.
go.
Run up.
I'm scared.
Oh.
Holy Jesus, what is happening? Alright,
We
we're
move
gonna
Ryan?
learn it.
Yeah.
We move Ryan. Let's go, Brixton.
I'm stalling.
Let's go, dude. Oh no. You didn't
Yeah.
catch.
It's fine, we learned that we need to goats and...
Nice
here.
try,
Zen,
nice.
Zen goats is
Honor
the-
goats against Zen goats.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah.
Especially for not
Counters.
landing the nades in the grab.
Yeah.
It's otherwise just pointless.
Like their ult rotation was really good. They always had like.
yeah, but the Discord.
Une
the
affaire là
Discord is
aussi. Là.
too much.
À place d'avoir laissé Lucio sur le payload, laissez donc Brick.
Ouais, c'est Brick qui devrait laisser sur le payload aussi.
Ah, c'est vrai, ouais.
J'ai
Okay.
du Reddit Lucio FPGG, là, tu te prends pour qui en tol?
Ah, c'est vrai,
Calice.
Non, J-Fan.
Chavo, pourquoi genre tes testicules ils remontent dans ton corps des fois?
C'est pas moi, c'est ma blonde qui parle.
Ouais.
Pardon,
toi.
C'est son voice changer, il bug.
Pardon, Marie.
Ah, on sait que c'est toi.
Elle trouve ça drôle, est-ce que
Allô?
Hey, salut Chavo.
T'es
Ça
cochon.
change.
Est-ce qu'Olivier s'est trop donné? Il s'en...
Ah, c'est questionable, rien qu'elle finit pas, hein.
C'est de la muter.
je l'ai muté. Elle dit que je suis mauvais.
J'ai dit qu'il sentait les petits oignons.
Wow.
Calice. Pas fin ça.
Et c'est violent.
Pas normal que tu
L'intimidation.
le fasses pendant le scrim.
Wow.
Ah,
Monka TOS. Bon,
Il
bah,
est
là,
confortable, ce chandail-là. Ça fait 2 jours que je le mets.
Alors, on a fini les games avec eux autres. On a 10 minutes avant l'autre. On pourrait regarder un petit peu les VOD pour une petite affaire. Essayer de trouver qu'est-ce qu'on a fuck up.
Oh.
Ouais, on peut faire ça direct là. Je suis down.